The reason your videos are not getting clicks, the reason your videos stop at less than 100 views, it is not because your content is not that good, or that the editing is not that fine, or that your topic is not relevant, or that you don't know how to present it. It is because of your thumbnail. That is the reason why you see that the views, the reach of your video goes high up to 5k, 6,000 people, 10,000 people, but your views are less than 100. When you go to your impression of your video, you see that your video reached 5,000 people, but your views are not even up to 1,000. It is an error. As a content creator, if your thumbnail are not getting clicked, your content is invisible. And in this video, I am going to be solving that one problem that is holding you down from getting your thousands of views from your amazing and lovely content. So if you stay with me through this video, I am going to be sharing with you that one simple app that professional creators use to create their thumbnail in few seconds. When I say few seconds, like this, your thumbnail is ready. And that thumbnail is going to help video views. It's going to help the algorithm push your video. And when the algorithm pushes your videos, it will attract people to click on it. And once they click on it, your views will start counting. So stick with me as I share with you this amazing app. Before we start, I would want you to understand one thing. Your thumbnail has only but one job, and that is to make people to click on your videos. Now imagine when you have a boring thumbnail and people don't find it engaging enough to click on the thumbnail, which the thumbnail will lead them to your video. That will make all your efforts and all your hard work and all your researches go down the drain. So if you stick with me through this video, I am going to be sharing with you just one step that will elevate your thumbnail and give you that viral content that you have been working towards or you have been looking for all these years. A clickable thumbnail gives even a small content creator viral videos. So if you're a content creator trying to grow on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, or any platform at all, your thumbnail is everything. Your thumbnail is that one thing that will lead anybody into your video. So you need to put in more effort. Yes, you need to put in more effort on your videos. And the more effort you put in your videos, you need to also put same effort on creating an engaging, clickable thumbnail. Creating thumbnail shouldn't be a work at all. With this one single step, you are good to go. I'm done talking too much. Let's go over to the end of my video so that I can show you exactly how to create this thumbnail. I know you like the thumbnail of the video you saw before you click on this video. Yes, it looks professional. It looks clickable. It is exactly what brought you to this video. So come, let me teach you exactly how to create such a thumbnail in few seconds. Come with me to the screen end. The app that we are going to be using for this particular tutorial is ChatGPT. When you go over to your ChatGPT, click on that plus sign and add whatever picture you want to use for your thumbnail. Once it's done loading, then you type in your prompt. Okay, it is very easy as easy. Okay, now I said using this photo, create an SEO clickable thumbnail photo for my next YouTube video. How to use ChatGPT to create a clickable thumbnail, which is this video you are watching right now. Okay, ratio 16:9, I think. Yeah. So I'm putting this ratio 16:9 so that after ChatGPT is done creating the thumbnail, I'm not going to go over to CapCut or InShot reshape it, because if it's not in that shape, it's not going to work. Okay, I think I edited it from how professional creators use ChatGPT to make clickable thumbnails step by step. Okay, now once you are done in your prompt, go over and hit that arrow icon and it will start generating immediately. It's not even going to waste any time, except your network is not strong enough. Within the next 15 seconds, your thumbnail is ready. This is something that takes you hours to create. Okay, for me, like me, I use like 3 to 5 hours to design my thumbnail. You see it in less than few seconds. ChatGPT already created a clickable thumbnail for me. How professional creators use ChatGPT to make clickable thumbnails step by step. See, from boring to this. Are you seeing it now? You have the option to edit this thumbnail if it did not give you what it's supposed to give you. But look now, the thumbnail is like water. It does not have enemy. It is so sweet. You can change your aspect ratio. You can select area you want to edit. You can remove anything and replace it with whatever. You can edit it to whatever you choose to edit it with. But you see this one right here, it is everything. It gave everything it's supposed to give. I know how much a lot of us use in hiring designers to design our thumbnail, and even when I use my hand to do it, I know how many hours it takes me to do it. But look now, within these few seconds, less than 5 seconds, ChatGPT already gave me a clickable thumbnail. Who will see this thumbnail and not click on it? This is the thumbnail that brought you here. Tell me in the comment section if you're going to be trying out this new method of creating a clickable thumbnail, and don't forget to like the video, share for other content creators also see it, and drop your comments in the comment section. Do well to subscribe on the channel as we are dropping back to back easy peasy ways that you can grow your YouTube channel on this channel. Give me a thumbs up as it helps push this content to more creators. I love you and see you on my next one. Bye. Mwah.